Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope you're having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So today we have a new cross-stitch kit from Biggestcraft. And it is a Mona Lisa brand cross-stitch. So let's check this out. And y'all, if you don't remember, I got the Dragon silk cross stitch a while back, and we are making a huge amount of progress. I'm close to being halfway on it now. So there's an update on that. I will have a kind of a short video as I complete that, or when I do complete that, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's check this out. And we have, ooh, isn't that pretty? I've wanted this one for quite a while. This is the Great Wall. It is an 11 count 60 by 60 centimeter, and like I said, it is from Mona Lisa brand, and it should be a silk kit. I am not sure. We'll see when we get into it. But this is $13.99 on their website, so it is a great deal. And of course, I'm sure they have sales going on right now, seeing as how it's the Christmas season, and they do have a lot of sales anyway, even when it's not a holiday. So you need to check that out. I will also leave my discount code and a link to this in the discount box. In the discount. I am so tongue-tied today. In the description box. So I'm stuck on those discounts today. Don't ask me why. But anyway, so it is a fabulous, it says classical cross stitch, which I love. And if y'all don't know, I at one point did live in Beijing, so this one is kind of special to me, and I am kind of partial to a lot of the Chinese style cross stitches and just a lot of the Chinese style artwork. Anyway, so that being said, okay, so here we go. Had it upside down. There are 45 colors in this kit. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of colors. And of course we have our thread number saying that we have 45. Then we have here the symbols for each color, and then we have the DMC identification numbers for each color thread. And this is an 11 count cross stitch, which means that the fabric, the size of the squares. And here we go. Here is what the paper looks like, and it is not on paper, tear-resistant paper, so make sure you make note of that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages for your paper pattern. And if you can see on the pattern, there is quite a bit of white area that's around the circle. This is because it's a partial stitch, and these areas that are just white and have no symbols on them is not going to be stitched at all unless you really want to, and unless you have some extra white silk. But this silk, this right here, is not an area that's going to be stitched. Only where the printed pattern is. So let's check out this. Of course, it has the standard instructions, how to divide your threads, and it says for an 11 count cross stitch aida to use 3 strands for your stitching. Then it has how to choose the thread colors on a printed cloth, and how to print, how to stitch an unprinted cloth. Now, I will say, if you get these stamped cross stitches wet, that it can get rid of your stamp pattern on your cloth, because it is water soluble, and that is on purpose so that when you're done stitching it, you can soak it in water and that ink will go away, leaving just your stitching work. So just make note of that. So how to stitch unprinted cloth, and of course it has all your notes, and it has cleaning and maintenance, basically how to finish your project when you're done, and it has a description of all the different embroidery cross-stitch stitches and how to do those. So next, I'm going to pull this out, and we have our standard needle thimble kit. Of course, we have in here, I'm not going to pull them out this time, but we have our threader. We have the puff ball to put your needles in and your standard thimble, and this has three needles in it for the stitching, and I suspect, as I have in the last few kits that I've gotten, there will be a couple more needles inside the fabric. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what our fabric pattern looks like. There she is, folks. And of course, there were 2 more needles in the kit. So here we have our stamped color chart, just for reference, and of course 40 colors, and it's got quite a bit of different guide colors, color symbols, so that you can tell everything apart. And here we have where it says this is 216 stitches in width by 216 stitches in height. So that's gonna, you see it's pretty big. It won't even fit in the whole camera. So let's see. Of course, we have the product number here on the bottom. This looks like it has, please excuse Archie, he is crazy. Anyway, it's got quite a bit of confetti on it, and you see this one's going to take a little bit because it does have a lot of confetti, which are areas, small areas where there's a lot of different colors in the same spot. And of course, if you know that blocking is these big areas of just one color. So that is going to be a lot of work. So let's see. Here we have one area, and you see all of the stamp pattern is very, very well centered inside of each square, each sewing square. So that is going to be very nice to do. This is 100%, supposed to be 100% cotton embroidery. Hi y'all, what's wrong with me? My brain is just not working today. It is 100% cotton fabric, and let's fold this back up, and then we will check out our thread. All our kit stuff here. And we have 2 pallets full of thread. And you see there's 47 colors. Or 42 colors, wasn't it? I can't remember. Anyway, it's got beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's look at these. Do you see all these gorgeous colors? And of course, this is going to be a silk thread. As you can see by how shiny and smooth the thread is. And it's so, so soft, y'all. I am absolutely loving doing these silk cross stitches. If you haven't tried one, you definitely need to pick one up because they are just so nice to work with. And I showed you the dragon one earlier that I've been working on, and it is turning out absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to see the final product. Archie, leave the cat alone. And I'm sorry, y'all. Archie is barking at Milo, my cat. And Milo's not a nice cat. So Archie is in dangerous territory. Quit. So, anyway. Really? Anyway, I see no starts and stops in this thread from manufacturing, which tells me that this company is taking a lot of time and energy into giving a quality product. So I really, really like that. If I ever do run into one of those starts and stops in the thread, I will definitely show you. But so far I haven't, which makes me really, really happy. Anyway, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. And you see how close these colors, this thread is actually more colorful and the colors are more beautiful and vibrant than even the picture. So this is going to be super, super nice and super fun to do. So anyway, here is our kit for the silk wall cross stitch, and I hope you enjoy and happy stitching. Don't forget, you go ahead and get on that website if you do love cross stitching and pick this one up or any of their other gorgeous kits. Thank you so much and have a fabulous day and happy stitching.